How to enable microphone in Google Meet. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on your microphone and what to do if it isn't working. First, open Google Meet. Tap on New Meeting and join or start a meeting. Once you're in the meeting, look at the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen. If the microphone icon has a slash through it, click it once to turn your microphone on. When your microphone is enabled, you should see the audio indicator move as you speak. If your microphone still isn't working, click the three-dot menu at the bottom of the meeting window. Then select Settings. Open the Audio tab. Under Microphone, make sure the correct microphone is selected from the drop-down menu. If you're using an external microphone or headset, make sure it's properly connected to your computer. Next, check that your web browser has permission to use your microphone. Click the lock icon next to the Google Meet website address, then make sure microphone access is turned on. If you changed any settings, refresh the Google Meet page or rejoin the meeting. Once everything is set up correctly, your microphone should work normally. And that's it. You've successfully enabled your microphone in Google Meet. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Google Meet tips and tutorials.